In this video, adding special effects to text will show you how to add the effects to text that you will create for your design for your shirt. So we have created a new document here, and we're going to type some text in with our text box tool right here on our toolbar. And there's different types of text tools here. So we could have our text going straight across the screen using just the regular text toolbox tool, or we could actually make a path with a line and have the text follow that line. In this case, we're just going to use the text tool, and I'm going to draw a box where I want my text to go, and I will type in some text, and I can highlight that text, and I can go in and I can change the font of that text, and so you will have a various different kinds of fonts, the looks that you can put on your text. Some are easier to read than others, so make sure that whatever text you're picking, that it is appropriate and something that you can actually read. So there's various texts that you can choose from. There's the text size. You can change it 72, or you could actually type in a number and make it larger than 72. We have the alignment tool that we can align our text inside that box, either on the right side of the box, the left side, the center, depending on where we want our text to go inside of that text box. We could go and we can change the text ink color. So if we want to change the color of the text itself, we can go and select that first letter A, and we can give it a color. We can change the background color behind the text to a color. We can go and change the outline of the text and give it a color. So as you can see here, it's hard to see if you have it black, but if we make that transparent, just the outline of the letters. And then this one would be the outline around the outside of the text, like making a box around the outside. So we can give that a color. Okay. So those tools up there, we can also change the thickness of the lines when we go and we adjust some of those settings. So that little pen icon next to those options are the pen size and type of pen that we're using. So there's lots of options in there you can change as well. We can also change the spacing between lines of text. So if we have two lines of text, it starts off as single spaced. So we can go in and we can actually make that 1.5 line spaced or double spaced, depending on how we want it to look. We can also adjust the ability to spread the letters apart. So this first option is called leading, and the second one is called kerning. So we can change, and let's loosen the letters, and we can spread them further apart. So the bigger the number, the more spread those letters are going to be. So it depends on how we want our text to look. We could also adjust the percentage right here. And we can adjust the percentage of height right here. So we can stretch our letters using these options here. So those are the main features for the text, applying the special effects to the text. So there's more here than what I'm just showing you, because I'm just showing you the basics, what these different options do at the top. So you can experiment to see what these do, but this video is just to show you some of these different options. Oh, and these here as well, bold, italicized, underline, strike through. You can have the outline of the text. And this one, it's a very light outline. You can have a shadow behind your text. You can have it superscript or what they call subscript, so it makes the words either higher or lower than the others. So there's different options there.